In this video, we will see how to install PostgreSQL 12, PG Agent and PostGIS in CentOS 7. First of all, we will update the OS. I already updated the OS, so no package is marked for the update. Now I will install the EPL release. Now again I will update so that any update is available by EPL release, will update it. To install the PostgreSQL in CentOS 7, we need to add the repository of the PostgreSQL in CentOS. It's available on the postgresql.org. Here we have this Linux environment and OS is the CentOS. I have copied this repo. We will install the repo in CentOS 7. Now I will install the PostgreSQL. Now we will install the PG agent. Okay, my spelling is wrong. PGAGENT. Now we will install the PostGIS. PostGIS is installed. By default, PostGIS SQL installed data directory install on /var/lib/psql/12/data. Here I want to make PostGIS SQL directory on my Mount Ponds data. So I will create new directory in which I will initialize the PostGIS DB. I will assign the required permission to this directory. Now I update the password for the PostGIS user. Now I will initialize the Postgres in directory slash data pg data table pg underscore data table slash d for the mentioning the data directory. In our case, data directory is slash data slash pg underscore data 12. Initialization is completed. Now I will enable the Postgres SQL 12 services so that it will start automatically. Oops, we need to exit this one. Postgres user. It will work. We have changed the Postgres data directory, so we need to change it in Postgres SQL services. Now we will reload the daemon so that changes will reflect for the services. Now we will start the Postgres and PG agent services. Now we'll edit the postgresql.conf for the listening address. In our case, listener address is localhost. In case we want to access from the network, then we need to allow here we need to mention the IP address, or we can put star so that it will listen from the all the addresses. To make change in effect, we will restart the Postgres SQL service on PG agent. Now we will create the PostGIS and PG agent extension. PostGIS extension is created. PG agent is also created. Now we will restart the services and check the status. PG agent is running. Both PG agent and PostgreSQL server are running.